At the beginning of a relationship, desire feels almost automatic. Years later, for many women, that desire quietly fades. And nobody in that relationship knows why. Not her, not her partner, because nobody ever explained the neuroscience behind it. Today, that changes. This pattern breaks more long-term relationships in America than almost any other issue. The woman feels guilty for not wanting what she used to want. The partner feels rejected and starts pulling away. And the distance grows until intimacy becomes an obligation instead of a connection. What neither person understands, this pattern is not a relationship failure. It is a neurological and hormonal shift that research has documented. And understanding it is the first step to changing it. Here is the science. I'm Dr. Lauren Mercer. Today's content draws from the work of Dr. Emily Nagoski, author of Come As You Are, research from Rutgers University, and studies published in the Archives of Sexual Behavior. This is one of the most researched areas in relationship science. Let's start with what actually happens to female desire over time and why. The facts. The neurochemistry of new love. In the early stages of a relationship, the brain is flooded with dopamine, norepinephrine, and phenylethylamine. This chemical mix creates intense focus on a partner, high energy, and strong spontaneous desire. Research shows this state usually lasts 12 to 24 months. After that, the brain adapts. Habituation is the nervous system's response to familiarity. What becomes familiar stops triggering the same reward response. This is not falling out of love. This is the brain doing what brains do. Now, what takes over after the early phase ends? Responsive versus spontaneous desire. Most women experience responsive desire. Spontaneous desire, wanting intimacy without a trigger, is more common in men and early relationships. Responsive desire needs context. It needs emotional safety, non-pressured attention, and the right conditions. The problem in long-term relationships, those conditions stop being created. Life gets busy, stress builds, non-sexual affection decreases. Without the right context, responsive desire has nothing to respond to. The desire did not disappear, the conditions did. Now, the main suppressors of female desire in long-term relationships. The suppressors. 5 primary suppressors. Number 1, unequal mental load. Women carrying more household and emotional responsibility report lower desire. The brain cannot shift into desire while managing constant tasks. Number 2, routine and predictability. The brain responds to novelty. When intimacy becomes predictable, dopamine drops. Number 3, feeling unseen. When a partner engages only physically, without emotional or intellectual connection, desire decreases. Number 4, unresolved conflict. The nervous system cannot hold arousal and tension at the same time. Resentment strongly suppresses desire. Number 5, loss of non-sexual touch. Couples who maintain daily, non-sexual physical contact report higher desire. Now, what helps reverse this pattern? What research says reverses it? Novelty. New experiences together increase dopamine. Non-sexual physical connection. Touch without expectation rebuilds safety and closeness. Balancing the mental load. Redistributing responsibilities improves desire. And honest conversation. Naming the pattern without blame leads to faster improvement. Most women experiencing this blame themselves. They think something is wrong with them, that they are no longer attracted to someone they love. And that self-blame becomes another suppressor. Desire cannot grow in a system busy judging itself. This is not a personal failure. It is a predictable pattern. Create the right conditions and desire returns. Step 1. Name the pattern together. No blame, no accusation. I've been learning why desire changes. Can we talk about it? Step 2. Introduce novelty. New experiences together. Step 3. Rebuild non-sexual touch. Daily, consistent, no pressure. Step 4. Address the mental load. Talk clearly. Redistribute fairly. Step 5. Consider a sex therapist if the pattern has lasted a long time. The desire did not disappear. The conditions did, and conditions can be rebuilt by two people who understand and choose to change it. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe. Next video, The Complete Female Orgasm Guide. Comment below, which suppressor resonated most?